Okay, so in this video, we'll talk about how we can enable the entities that are already disabled or by default disabled, and then use them into our dashboard. So there are many entities that are actually nice when you use them, but those are disabled by default, or maybe you have disabled somehow and you forgot how to enable. So this video is all about how can you enable the entities and then use them into the dashboards. Like for me here we have home dashboard, right? So if you did not check the previous video of how to create this dashboard, you can check out the videos from the top, or maybe I will add that in description. So you can check that in card also. You may find that the video in the card also. um, okay, now I'll just go to the settings, and then we'll go to the device and services, and then I'll go to entities, and then we have filters here. Okay, so in this filter you can choose what are enabled, available, unavailable. These are all okay. So you just go to disabled, and these are all entities that are disabled by default. Okay, so for me CPU percentage I don't want to check that much. So this is CPU percentage of home assistant core. Okay, and this is CPU percentage of home assistant supervisor. That's how you check it. This is home ESP home device builder CPU. So that means that is the add-on CPU, like the add-on that I have added. This ESP home is the add-on, and then we have CPU of file editor. That's also add-on. Okay, we just need some specific add-on like this disk free that I need. So I'll go click here, then click settings, then enable. Okay, and any more thing I have to add? No. Okay, just update. Okay, it will take 30 seconds. There are more add-ons that I already enabled. These are all you can enable also, no issues. And then you can go to here, then available, and mostly I guess you can see those add-ons. You need to wait a little bit so to come up here. So I'll search it. So these are all I enabled now, like in sometimes before. Okay, so that's why these are available. Okay, but we just now enable the device free, right? So it is taking time a little bit. So this free, this one. So we can see how much it is free. So I have 32 gigs of that SD card. So we have 20 GB free. So what we'll do here now, we'll go to the home, and here we want to add one more section and add those things. Okay, so we'll just click on edit, then we'll just rename this section as maybe the RPi, because this whole setup is in my Raspberry Pi. So I'll just search for the icons of Raspberry Pi. Entities I'll not add it here. Then I'll go to here. Okay, for me I'll edit this as RPi 5, because this is ARPA 5, and then I'll add it here by entities. So entities mostly it is home assistant. So I want to add this one, core memory percentage, disk free, and supervisor memory percentage. Most probably these are all I need, and then continue. So add to dashboard. Cool. So now we have those things. Now we can click on done. That's how you can add these things. Now if you click on this thing, you will get an idea of what's happening. And my memory percentage in home assistant core, keep in mind home assistant core it is as 5%. So I have mostly till I can remember is of 8 GB RAM. So only 5% is consumed. Okay, and this is for supervisor. This is the two main components of home assistant, and then we have this disk free. Cool. These things are all we need. If you want to add any more things, definitely you can go to the devices settings entities, and you can do anything with that. Okay, so this video is till that only. We'll definitely come with new ideas, new things again in this home assistant. So that's for today. See you in the next video.